Hello children, I am Shubhashish. Children, imagine you're organizing your toy collection and you want to make sure everything fits perfectly. Understanding the properties of whole numbers helps you with this. For example, if you have 5 toy cars and you add 3 more, you know you'll have a total of 8 toy cars. This is because whole numbers follow the closure property. For addition, they stay whole numbers even after adding. Or think about sharing cookies with your friends. If you have a batch of 10 cookies and you give each friend 2 cookies, you know you can share with exactly 5 friends without breaking any cookies. This is because multiplication is closed under whole numbers. Learning these properties will help you understand how numbers work in everyday situations like cooking, shopping, and even playing games. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know: understand how the closure property ensures operations on whole numbers result in whole numbers. Recognize that the order of addition and multiplication does not affect the result. Learn how changing the grouping of numbers affects the result in addition and multiplication. Apply the distributive property to simplify calculations by distributing multiplication over addition. Identify how 0 acts as the identity element in addition and 1 acts as the identity element in multiplication. Keywords from this lesson are whole numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, additive identity, and multiplicative identity. Children, let's explore the properties of whole numbers. Closure property. 2 whole numbers are said to be closed if their operation is also the whole number. Addition. Whole numbers are closed under addition as their sum is also a whole number. Example, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Closed or not? Yes. Subtraction. Whole numbers are not closed under subtraction as their difference is not always a whole number. Example, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 2 minus 9 is equal to minus 7, which is not a whole number. Closed or not? No. Multiplication. Whole numbers are closed under multiplication as their product is also a whole number. Example, 9 into 5 is equal to 45. Closed or not? Yes. Division. Whole numbers are not closed under division as their result is not always a whole number. 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5, not a whole number. Closed or not? No. Commutative property. Two whole numbers are said to be commutative if their result remains the same even if we swap the positions of the numbers. Addition. Meaning, the addition is commutative for whole numbers as their sum remains the same even if we interchange the position of the numbers. For example, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Commutative or not? Yes. Subtraction. Subtraction is not commutative for whole numbers as their difference may be different if we interchange the position of the numbers. For example, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7, 2 minus 9 is equal to minus 7, which is not a whole number. Commutative or not? No. Multiplication. Multiplication is commutative for whole numbers as their product remains the same even if we interchange the position of the numbers. For example, 9 into 5 is equal to 45, 5 into 9 is equal to 45. Commutative or not? Yes. Division. Division is not commutative for whole numbers as the result may be different if we interchange the position of the numbers. 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5, 1 divided by 5 is equal to not a whole number. Commutative or not? No. Associative property. The two whole numbers are said to be associative if the result remains the same even if we change the grouping of the numbers. Addition. The addition is associative for whole numbers as their sum remains the same even if we change the grouping of the numbers. For example, 3 plus of 2 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 5. 3 plus 7 is equal to 5 plus 5. Ten is equal to 10. Associative or not? Yes. Subtraction. Subtraction is not associative for whole numbers as the difference may change if we change the grouping of the numbers. For example, 8 minus of 10 minus 2 not equal to 8 minus 10 minus 2. 8 minus 8 not equal to minus 2 of minus 2. 0 not equal to minus 4. Associative or not? No. Multiplication. Multiplication is associative for whole numbers as their product remains the same even if we change the grouping of the numbers. Example, 3 into 5 into 2 is equal to 3 into 5 into 2. 3 into 10 is equal to 15 into 2. 30 is equal to 30. Associative or not? Yes. Division. The division is not associative for whole numbers as the result may change if we change the grouping of the numbers. For example, 24 divided by 3 not equal to 4 divided by 2. 8 not equal to 2. Associative or not? No. Now let us see another property. Distributivity of multiplication over addition. This property says that if we have three whole numbers x, y and z, then x of y plus z is equal to xy plus xz. Example, evaluate 15 into 45. Solution, 15 into 45 is equal to 15 into 40 plus 5. is equal to 15 into 40 plus 15 into 5, which is equal to 600 plus 75. Equals to 675. Identity for addition. If we add 0 to any whole number, the result will be the same number only. So 0 is the additive identity of whole numbers. A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A equals to A. In the example, how many apples? 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. This clearly shows that if we add 0 apples to 2 apples, we get the 2 apples only. Finally, we will see another property of whole number. Identity for multiplication. If we multiply 1 to any whole number, the result will be the same whole number. So 1 is the multiplicative identity for whole numbers. A into 1 is equal to A. 1 into A is equal to A. Points to remember. Whole numbers include 0 and positive integers without fractions or decimals. Closure property means operations like addition and multiplication keep results as whole numbers. Commutative property shows that addition and multiplication order doesn't affect the result. Associative property indicates changing number, grouping in addition and multiplication doesn't alter the result. Distributive property allows multiplication to be distributed over addition, simplifying calculations. Additive identity is 0 and multiplicative identity is 1, keeping numbers unchanged in their operations. Thanks for watching.